Okay, so we're making Mince made 3 cheese flavor. Requirement is wine. So you do it sort of in 2 sections. You cook the mince, then you cook this, and then you put the 2 together.
No, you cook the mince and then you put everything together in the pan and then you
Mush it.
just let it cook.
Cook it.
Use the big pan.
Not supposed to cook with olive oil.
Yeah, this is...
And we're using chicken mince. You made it.
I did not.
Add the sachet of 500 ml of warm water.
Just going to chop up the mince.
Yeah. So there's our seasoning mix and our noodles, which doesn't look like that's going to be much.
Yeah.
Presume it grows.
Sort of gross now. Oh dear. Rather just use a fork. I think you put the whisk in there. Slowly, slowly, you're going to spill it everywhere.
But it looks cheesy. I will give them that.
Need it for the milk.
Yeah.
To make the milk.
Well, it's going to be a lot. Well, I suppose what's the name takes it up. The noodles.
Yeah, it gets thick with the
Noodles and whatnot.
noodles. The noodles. Done as it's going to get, I think.
I think so.
Okay. You can obviously have more if you want.
Thank you.
Obviously.
Obviously. So how's it, love?
I've been in here.
Pretty
I
good.
figured out 2 things. One is
So what do you think? That could be enough for? Not for a meal.
No, probably with something in a wrap.
You make a very nice wrap. Oh, that's fine.